Hi, today I am going to be showing you how to download the TeachFX app from our self-service app. So the self-service app looks like an app that has green, blue, red, and yellow corners to it. So you activate this to download it. And so what you're going to do then is you're going to press the search bar or the search lollipop for looking for the app, and then you're going to press TeachFX. Now TeachFX is with no spaces, and then you're going to press install or reinstall whatever shows there. Okay. This app, self-service, is where all of the district apps live. So if you ever lose one of your apps, you can install it from self-service, and that is very important to remember. Okay, so I'm going to go out to the my main home screen, and you'll see that TeachFX has opened. And let's see what happens here. And I've actually already started my account, so you'll have to create your account, and you can do that, and then you will find this wonderful screen, and we can go ahead and start our adventure on TeachFX together. Thank you very much. Goodbye.